Good day mga idol! Today, we're diving into the heart of Quirino province to discover the hidden gem of Ganano Falls and its stunning Offspring Waterfalls. Let's go!
So here we are at Baguio Village, the starting point of our adventure. We have just registered and a guide right there is joining us to make sure that we have a safe and enjoyable trek.
The trek to Ganano Falls is beginner-friendly with mostly flat terrain. But don't be fooled, it's still a good workout. We crossed a hanging bridge, trekked through open fields, forest trails, and even tackled some river crossings. The last crossing had quite strong current, but we managed to navigate through it with caution.
Check out these amazing plants. The diversity of flora here is just incredible. Welcome to Ganano Falls!
And there it is, Ganano Falls in all its wild and unkempt glory, one of the tallest cascades in the Cagayan Valley region. Ganano Falls has three beautiful offspring: Sabarangan Falls, Sinipit Falls, and Nantugaw Falls, each offering a unique experience. Sinipit Falls is a serene and picturesque spot.
The water here is very cool and refreshing, perfect for a dip.
Nearby, Nantugaw Falls offers a stunning waterfall experience in a serene, natural setting with clean waters. Sabarangan Falls, the third offspring, is known for its natural beauty and gentle waters, making it ideal for picnics and relaxation due to its accessibility and shade from surrounding trees.
If you want an adrenaline rush adventure and escape, you can go here in Quirino province. You will not regret it. Okay? Until next time mga idol, bye!